Hi again, and welcome to this video on foodborne illness. Thousands of types of bacteria are naturally present in our environment. Microorganisms that cause disease are called pathogens. When certain pathogens enter the food supply, they can cause foodborne illness. Not all bacteria cause disease in humans. For example, some bacteria are used beneficially in making cheese and yogurt. Foods, including safely cooked and ready-to-eat foods, can become cross-contaminated with pathogens transferred from raw egg products and raw meat, poultry, seafood products and their juices, other contaminated products, or from food handlers with poor personal hygiene. Let's examine a few of the most common foodborne illnesses. First, we'll look at Salmonella. Salmonella comes from raw or undercooked eggs, poultry, and meat. You can also get it from unpasteurized milk and juice, cheese, seafood, and contaminated fruits and vegetables. Symptoms include diarrhea, fever, and abdominal cramps, all of which usually appear 12 to 72 hours after eating. These symptoms may last from 4 to 7 days. In people with a weakened immune system, the infection may be more severe and lead to serious complications, including death. Ways to prevent salmonella include making sure you cook raw meat, poultry, and egg products to a safe temperature. Do not eat raw or undercooked eggs and avoid consuming raw or unpasteurized milk or dairy products. Produce should be thoroughly washed before consumption. Next, let's look at Escherichia coli, or E. coli. E. coli comes from uncooked beef, especially uncooked ground beef, unpasteurized milk and juices, such as fresh apple cider, and contaminated raw fruits and vegetables or water. Person-to-person contamination can also occur. E. coli can be very painful and cause severe diarrhea, which is often bloody, abdominal cramps, and vomiting, but there is usually little or no fever. Symptoms can begin 2 to 8 days after exposure, but usually start to show up 3 to 4 days after consumption of contaminated food or water and last about 5 to 7 days, depending on severity. Children under 5 are at greater risk of developing hemolytic uremic syndrome, HUS, which causes acute kidney failure. Some ways to prevent E. coli include cooking hamburgers and ground beef to a safe minimum internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. It is not recommended to eat hamburgers that are cooked medium rare or with any pink in them. Drink only pasteurized milk, juice, or cider. Rinse fruits and vegetables under running tap water, especially those that will not be cooked. Wash your hands with warm soap and water after changing diapers, using the bathroom, handling pets, or having any contact with feces. By following some of these safety precautions, we can ensure that we provide the safest environment possible for healthy food to be enjoyed. Thanks for watching.